welcome to my channel. My name is Stephanie, and if you already know who I am, welcome back. In today's video, I decided I wanted to do I decided to do a makeup look that you could wear on Valentine's Day. Oh, and I'm also vlogging, so if you didn't see that, you should go check that out. Let's just get on with the video, and yes, this is my second time filming this video, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna start off by using the Anastasia dip brow. It's in medium brown. I'm just trying to finish this eyebrow product up because, girl, I had it for a while, but still works. Still works. I usually don't do my eyebrows in camera, but this time I will do my eyebrows in camera. For this look, I'm trying to keep my eyebrows as natural as I can. Eyebrows are done and they're looking good. So for my eye primer, I'm going to be using this Lorac eyeshadow primer. It comes with a little palette.
So I'm going to take it on the brush. Where else am I going to take it on a date?
For this look, I was planning to do something very simple but glam that you could wear if you're just chilling with your friends but still gonna take cute selfies. I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palettes. It looks like this, little mini ones. So it looks like this inside. I know I'm gonna use the pink one and the little burgundy one, I think. I'm gonna take that white shade right there and set my eye with that. I actually really like that it has a mirror. It's really cool. I haven't took out the plastic though, so. The eyeshadows feel really nice. I think these eyeshadow palettes are like 30 or 20. I'm not sure. I'll put it somewhere here. I'm using this pink shade right here, and I'm using that as a transition shade. And I'm just gonna put this on my crease and buff it out. These eyeshadows really blend nicely, and you could actually build them up. Now I'm going to take this burgundy shade and I'm going to put this on my lid, basically doing a little smoky eye. I'm going to be taking that fluffy blending brush and taking that pink shade and just blending these two colors together. I'm going to be taking this rose gold shade over here and I'm going to put that in the middle of my eyelid. And I'm going to take the same shade of shimmer and put this on my brow. I'm going to clean up the outer part of my eyes and then I'll be right back. After I cleaned up the sides, I'm going to move on to the face and then I'll come back to the eyes. So I'm going to be using this Benefit primer. I heard it was real good. I did use it once, but I couldn't tell if it was doing anything. I really couldn't. Now I'm going to be using the Maybelline foundation. So I wouldn't use this foundation if you have plans to use flash, but since I'm not. Although this foundation gives flashback, I really like it to wear during the day. It's so nice. It feels like I have nothing on my face. So for my concealer, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, like always. I'm going to be using the Physician Formula Butter Bronzer. This is my absolute favorite bronzer. I like to use this as contour, so I like to put it on my nose. For my blush, I'm going to be using the Milani Blossom Time Rose blush.
Oh yeah.
My highlight, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Glow Kit, and this one is Sugar Butterscotch, which is this nice gold shade right here. Damn, that's so pretty. Ooh, girl. I don't know if you can see this in camera, but like, I want to put this, I love it in my, I'm going to use this tiny pencil brush and highlight my nose with it. And then in the middle, oh, I shouldn't have highlighted that's pimple right there. Oh well. I'm going to use the same highlighter to highlight the inner corner of the eye. Go back to the Huda Beauty palette and taking this pink shade and putting this on my waterline. And I'm actually going to take my fluffy brush and dip into the pink and just blend the outer. And I'm just dragging it out a bit. So much for being a very simple look. Well, it kind of is. Smoky eye is kind of usually very simple. My lashes, I'm going to be doing them off camera and then I'll be right back. I feel like doing my lashes on camera is really boring, so I'll be right back. I didn't tell you what lashes I was using. The lashes that I'm using is from J Lashes. Pretty sure if you go to jlashes.com you will be able to find them. For my mascara, I'm going to be using Bare Minerals. This one, I'm going to put it after I put my setting spray because I don't want to look like I've been crying. I'm using Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray.
I forgot it's broken.
So for my lipstick, I'm going to be using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. And this one's in San Pablo. I normally don't wear pink lipstick, but like, I'll do it today. Ooh, that is real pink. I'm gonna put on some NYX Sway lipstick in the shade Soft Spoken. That was way too pink for me and I was not down with that. No. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video and I hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope you guys come back next time. So make sure you subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you have any suggestions, I always have trouble saying that word. Suggestions? Make sure you leave it down below and I'll make sure to look at that. And yeah, I play too much. Alright. I'll see you guys next time. Bye! If you come back. Okay, bye.